Dad pleads not guilty at emotional court appearance after infant twins die in hot car. Juan Rodriguez, the father of 1-year-old twins who died after he said he all day while he was at work, made an emotional first court appearance on Saturday. The 39-year-old and his wife, Marissa, spent much of the proceedings in tears as he pleaded not guilty to charges of manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide. He sobbed throughout. He was ordered held on $50,000 cash or $100,000 bond. Rodriguez, from Rockland County, just north of New York City, dropped his 4-year-old son off at a home in Westchester, New York, on Friday before driving to work as a licensed clinical social worker at James J. Peters VA Medical Center in the Bronx. Rodriguez told, when he returned to his car 8 hours later to drive home, he observed. Rodriguez called 911, but the children were pronounced dead on the scene at 4:10 p.m. The children's body temperatures were 108 degrees, according to the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner. Rodriguez did not speak during his court appearance Saturday evening, but his lawyer called the children's deaths a certainly. Theirs. Rodriguez, who works with veterans as a social worker, also is a member of the military and served in Iraq. His lawyer said, he also has 2 older children, a 16-year-old and 12-year-old. Rodriguez is also facing 2 misdemeanor counts of endangering the welfare of a child. Family and friends greeted the father when he was released from custody Saturday evening. He was met with cheers. ABC News' Ben Stein contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.